Everyone, this is the recap for Monday, April 8th and the top 5 stocks for Tuesday, April 9th. Let's begin by talking about SPY. Nothing really occurred today. Flat. Market was up, 0.06%. Technically, it is holding above the 10 EMA now. So it is a little bit stronger. We're not questioning the market's ability to hold up as much. Ideally, I would like to see these moving averages spread out a little bit more from each other and begin pushing back higher. That's the bull case, and that's what we want to facilitate breakouts. However, at the moment, everything is pretty much stable. So today I exited Tilray. That was a good trade. All my sells were basically between 18 and 22%. I sold today when the market opened up. I think I closed the position at 2.72. I do not want to hold Tilray tomorrow because there are earnings, and I do not want to take risks on earnings, first of all. And Tilray especially, this is a stock that can make a huge move on earnings, and I'm not willing to risk the position on just a blatant gamble. Today I entered in CXAI. This was a stock with tons and tons of ADR and volatility. Stock broke out. We entered at about 5.4. It ran as high as 6.6 on the day before proceeding to have a massive sell at the end of the day. Within the last 35-40 minutes there, it completely sold off, and now it's right near our entry, basically right at the entry. So very disappointing action intraday. However, the trade isn't over. Stop loss is set at low of day at 4.95. So tomorrow this has the opportunity to continue in its uptrend because technically it's still broken out, and we just want to ride this wave as much as possible. Ideally, once the moving averages catch up with this price action, we could trail with the 10 EMA. However, yeah, today was definitely a little bit discouraging at the end. However, setup is still valid, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, so beginning tomorrow's top 5, we have STOK. This is a really nice setup. The volume decreased, has a very nice ADR of 13. This name could make a massive move. I like it. And yeah, so had a big bounce on earnings. Investors like what they saw, obviously. And this thing could obviously make a big move. I already said that. But yeah, it's just a quality setup, and it has the right things going for it. So definitely one to watch. And in NOX, this is a really nice setup here. ADR of 8.69 is beautiful when we have a setup this good. Volume obviously decreased, range is tight, moving averages are tight. This is a really nice name to watch. And yeah, it's probably the top name going into tomorrow. Gen is also a really nice setup. This has had a really nice move recently, moving from 59 cents, 60 cents, all the way to where it is now at 2.5. It surfed the moving averages the entire way. And now this has been a really nice pullback, low volume, tight range. Moving averages are right there with the price action now. So this thing could make an explosive move on its 10 ADR and continue moving higher. So I really like this one for tomorrow. Dave is a setup I've been watching for quite a while. I thought it broke out here, but it wasn't not moving enough, not enough volume. It has a much better setup this time around with an ADR of 7. It's had a great move into the consolidation, surfing the moving averages majority of the way. So yeah, this is another very attractive setup for tomorrow. LICY is the final name on the watch list for tomorrow. ADR 17, absolutely beautiful. This has had a nice move into its current positioning. It's setting up very nicely. The volume decreased, big ADR, moving averages tight. I really like this setup, and it's one to keep a close eye on for tomorrow. That concludes the top 5 for tomorrow, the recap, etc. And I will see you guys in the Discord, link in bio. And yeah, guys, have a great rest of your day.